Recently, everyone is evaluating the durability of cassava calculator. Today, we use Huanda's cassava calculator to test the durability. First, pour in our cassava calculator. Then add 50 ml of water. Look at the number of its clusters. After my careful check, there are 45 clusters altogether. In other words, if a cat uses it can last 15 days. The durability of Huanda cassava calculator didn't let us down. You may be curious why the calculator of the best-selling brands in the market, the best durability can last 10.7 days, but Huanda cassava calculator can last 15 days. Because Huanda cassava calculator always insists on only making pure plant calculator, so the durability is naturally better. And if it is 2.5 kilograms of cassava calculator, the capacity of Huanda cassava calculator is at least 27% more. For girls, old people, and couriers are very friendly. 2.5 kilograms of calculator is a full big bag. It can last half a month.